Hello, my wonderful viewers. Thank you so much for tuning back to my channel, and thank you for choosing my channel. For those returning viewers, thank you so much. And make sure if you at all you have not subscribed, you have subscribed. So, guys, today I'm just going to make some family recipe for you, and this I'm just going to grill some chicken. Guys, I am in love with chicken. I love chicken. So we're just going to grill some chicken and we'll just serve it with some potatoes. In Kenya, we call them bajias. So guys, keep tuned. These are the chicken that I have. They are so big, guys. Make sure you wash the meat very clean, and then you chop off the unwanted parts like this one here now. Every part. Remove this part. So you can clean it, rinse it again, then wipe it, because we are going to marinate the chicken drumstick or chicken thighs, sorry guys. So you have to make sure you dry it up so that when you are marinating you get easy time and the marination goes on well. So guys, look at this. So make sure even your bowl is very dry. So here I have barbecue seasoning. I have green seasonings like thyme, basil, paprika, chicken masala, some salt to taste, and oil, vegetable cooking oil. So I will start by adding this chicken masala, then barbecue, then if you have ginger powder and garlic you can also use that, then the green seasoning and salt, paprika, then mix up everything. Then add some vegetable oil to the chicken thighs first, and then to the mix. Then marinate well. So put all the marination well, even inside. Look at here, inside. So guys, look at this now. So after this, I'm going to put them inside this bowl. Look at them guys, looking so appetizing already. So next I'll put them here, place them well, then look at this. So we'll use a clean paper to cover them for about 30 minutes. So we leave it for 30 minutes for marination to take place well. Then Mm-hmm. 30 minutes are over, guys. Look at my marinated thighs. Look at this. So I'm going to place them in this tray, baking tray. I'm going to put them in oven now to bake. So guys, I'm going to put them in here for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. Look at them guys, just to try it. Very, very soft. They are done and looking so appetizing. I love chicken guys. I love chicken. So I'll take them out, and now I'll let it cool for some time as I make my potatoes. So guys, let me just try. See from inside guys, very, 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 very well done. So look at this. Wow. If you get this with Kenyan kachumbari or some potatoes or salad, wow, you love this. You can only find this in Ready Kit channel. Look at it closely guys. So appetizing. You can have some cucumbers, they are vegetable. You can have it with this. If you don't have kachumbari, you don't have guacamole, you can use this. You can serve it with this. I have made my potato bajias. In Kenya we call them bajias. So this is what I'm going to serve it with. Bajias. Let me just have a taste. Wow. Oh, so appetizing. Ooh. So guys, kindly watch this video until end. Try it out. Look at Kenyan bajias. Try it out. If you love it, share as much as you can.